6 months ago I gave AI $500 and one job, make money. I tracked every cent it earned, every single month. The real number is not what you think. No course to sell, no secret tool, just $500, a laptop, and the AI everyone can open today. One rule, AI does the heavy lifting, I only steer. Everywhere online, people promise AI prints passive money while you sleep. I wanted the honest version, so I picked 4 AI income streams and ran all 4 at once. 3 of them earned almost nothing. One quietly carried the whole experiment, and it was the one I almost skipped. Stay to the end for that one. Stream 1, a faceless AI content channel, the internet's favorite get rich with AI idea. I used AI to script, voice, and edit short videos, 40 of them in the first month. It felt like a money machine. The dashboard said otherwise. Month 1 income from the channel, $9, not $900, 9. The algorithm does not care how fast AI lets you post. Stream 2, an AI-written affiliate website stuffed with reviews AI generated in a single afternoon. AI wrote 90 articles in a weekend. Google noticed, and not in a good way. Thin AI content got buried. 6 months in, the clicks were barely a trickle. Total affiliate income across 6 months, $12. Volume without trust is just noise, even when AI makes the volume free. At this point, I was downloaded and had almost nothing, right? Then the 2 boring streams started to move. Stream 3, tiny digital products built with AI, prompt packs, templates, a short guide, things people actually pay for. AI helped me design and write each one in a day. I listed 5, 4 flopped. 1, a planning template for freelancers, started selling on its own. By month 6, digital products paid $340 in a single month. 1 winning product quietly carried the other 4. Stream 4, the one I almost skipped, selling an AI-powered service to small businesses. I offered local businesses one simple thing, AI-written monthly newsletters, done for them. No audience required. I just emailed 30 owners and asked. 3 said yes. AI drafted each newsletter in minutes. I edited and sent. Every client paid $200 a month, like clockwork. By month 6, the service paid $600 a month, recurring. The least sexy idea was the only truly steady income. Here is what's not what you think. The viral AI ideas, the faceless channel, and the content farm paid almost nothing. The quiet service paid the most. What? The channel and the site sold attention, the most crowded thing on earth. The products and the service sold a result someone already wanted. Added up, month 6 brought in $961 from a $500 start. But remember, month 1 brought in 9. That gap is the whole lesson. AI income is not a faucet you turn on. It is a curve that looks like failure right up until it doesn't. Months 1 through 3, under $50 total. Months 4 through 6, the curve finally bent. Same effort, completely different result. And none of it was truly passive at the start. AI removed the busy work, the writing, the editing, the design. It did not remove the steering. That's where most people quit. They expect month 1 to look like month 6, see $9, and shut the whole thing down. The ones who win treat AI like an employee, not a slot machine. They pick one offer, point to AI at the boring middle, and keep showing up. So if you start with one thing, start with the unglamorous one, an AI-assisted service or product that solves a problem someone names out loud. Red tap. Faceless channel, $9. Affiliate site, $12. Digital products, $340 a month. The done-for-you AI service, $600 a month. Same tools, very different bets. Next 6 months, I'm dropping the 2 that failed and doubling the service and the products. I'll track every dollar and report back. If you want the real numbers with no hype, subscribe to Moth Money. Informational only, not financial advice, and results are never typical.